mysterious pipe.
What's so mystery about this pipe?
Get closer and listen.
Sounds like a speaker inside.
Where would a speaker come from out here?
Could it be?
Go check what's in there.
Fine, but stay right next to me. It's a toy.
Huh?
Who left a toy here?
Must be some kids.
How do you know?
Look, it's covered in candy. Scaring me like that? I'm taking all their candy. Don't take my candy.
Huh?